messy plastic containers and unappetizing food. That's why we developed the all-new Core food container by Iconic. Core is a segmented stainless steel insulated food container that combines into a single easy-to-carry unit. Our unique modular insulated design lets you pack your favorite hot and cold dishes side by side and keeps food fresh for hours. The contoured handle makes it easy. Just grab and go. Core's ultra-efficient insulation keeps cold foods cold and hot foods hot for hours and is completely free of BPAs. You can store a piping hot stir-fry alongside your favorite salad. A handy fold-out spork is stored in the base. Enjoy your lunch as fresh as the moment you packed it. Plastic containers may contain harmful chemicals that can seep into your food. Over time, your food loses freshness and requires refrigeration and reheating. Core is 100% BPA-free, durable, and easy to clean. Your food stays fresh for when you want to eat it. To make the Core food container as affordable as possible, we are asking for your help. Back us today and receive discounted pricing, plus VIP priority delivery. Enjoy a safer and fresher packed meal with the Core by Iconic.